Microsoft Excel has a neat feature called conditional formatting. And again, it's one of those things that's easier to show you than it is to explain. So let's check it out. Say, for example, we want to conditional format this column GDP. As you can see, we have all these GDP values with the USA sitting at the top with $21 trillion per year. So first things first, to make this useful, I'm going to go ahead and sort this data descendingly from largest to smallest. Okay, the USA is at the top and Nigeria is at the bottom. Next, in order to conditional format this data, I'm going to select the column. We're in the Home tab, under Styles, Conditional Formatting. And as you can see, there's different ways to conditionally format your data. I'm just going to show you a couple. So let's start with data bars, okay? And this is going to be obvious once you see what happens. Data bar, let's say I want to use yellow data bars. Now all of a sudden you can see that the numbers are now graphically represented, and obviously the United States has the largest and therefore the largest yellow bar. If I don't like the color yellow, I could use pink or I could even use green. Okay? Another way to represent this data is using a color scale. And so let's say I select the first color scale. So obviously the USA is distinguished by green, and then followed by the yellow, the orange, and Nigeria, which is represented by the red. Last but not least, I'll show you another one. You can use icons. And again, there's so many different options here, okay? But as you can see, as I start to hover over the different shapes or indicators, you can see that there's different kinds of conditional formatting that are applied to the GDP values. And so what I would recommend is play around with them, see which ones you like. Usually I prefer the color scales and the data bars, and I stick to those. But again, that's just another way you can conditionally format your data. Do you want to boost your career and income potential with Microsoft Excel? Check out our 2-hour mini courses down below. And as always, thanks for watching.